Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time.
Let's begin what's trending. In the wake of uncertainty in the West African region following recent coup d'etat and the ousting of President Bazoum in Niger, the conversation on securing the region and measures to ensure a peaceful return to democracy continues to generate a debate among a cross-section of Nigerians. The Senate over the weekend advised President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to consider diplomatic options rather than military intervention in the Republic of Niger. However, many Nigerians have shared concern on the possibility of war and its adverse impact on the country. While some users on social media reject the idea of sending the Nigerian military to war, others have suggested engaging mercenaries. Well, this is just as former militant leader Asari Dokubo, in a recent podcast that went viral over the weekend, revealed that he owns a private military company that was engaged by the government of the Nigerian state.
I have a private military company that was engaged by the government of Nigerian state, and I've been doing the work for the Nigerian state. Private military companies exist all over the world. We have Black Waters, we have Wagner, we have so many private military companies. They are not even new to Nigeria. The only thing new is that maybe a Nigerian is now providing the same services that South African and Belarusians and other people provided to fight Boko Haram. And we fought. We are fighting side by side with the Nigerian military in many places.
Well, all right, Dr. Abati, a lot of questions here. Like I said in my introduction, people are genuinely worried about the situation in Niger. And you saw that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu met with, governors in the boundaries or surrounding the boundaries of the country at this moment. And now we see this video from Asari Dokubo talking about owning a private military company, mercenaries. I mean, I don't know how this is relevant or even allowed in our constitution. I know that it is against the Geneva Convention to even go to war with mercenaries. What are your thoughts on this?
Okay, I guess the matter is as follows. The concern about Niger is understandable. The Nigeria shares border, about over 1,000 square kilometers, converted into miles, 999 miles of border zone, 7 states along that stretch, Sokoto, Kebbi, Katsina, Jigawa, Yobe, all the way to Borno. And those persons there are saying for cultural reasons, for ethnic reasons. I've heard some people saying they have brothers, they have cousins in Niger, and that nobody should come and wage war against their kith and kin. And that in any case, if that were to happen, it's the people in those 7 states that will be immediately affected, because you will expect that Niger will fight back, backed by Wagner, backed by Russia, backed by the other states, Algeria, Mali, Burkina Faso, Guinea-Conakry, who have said, well, we don't support any kind of ECOWAS military intervention in Niger. So clearly, there's an issue there. However, it's not only those northern states that will be affected, as we established. And as I've seen Mr. Tedwa Peterside also establishing, that, look, all of us will pay for it. If you close the if the fly zone is shut down, then of course people will have to travel longer to get to Europe or to return to Nigeria from Europe or even within Africa. So all of us will bear the brunt. So the ethnic argument is something that is a bit delicate. What we can hold on to is that Nigerians are saying we don't want war. We have enough problem in Nigeria.
Yes.
Our president may be the leader of ECOWAS, but why don't we find other means of helping the people of Niger instead of starting a war, the end of which nobody can predict? So that is that about that. And that's why the Senate threw out the suggestion that they would need an approval, that the president needs approval to implement ECOWAS resolutions under, Section 5, Sub 4, of the 1999 Constitution. Now, the point about private military company, also called private military contractors, also called private security guards, and all of that, or private military contractors or private military firms. It's a major issue in international law.
Yes.
In 1989, the United Nations passed a resolution 44/34, which dealt with this engagement of private military contractors. But it became effective in 2001. And the debate was at two levels. How do you engage PMCs in maybe international peacekeeping operations? And what is the difference, also nomenclature, between private military contractors and also private military guards?
Yes.
Okay, yes, in Libya, they were engaged. In Iraq, we heard about them. Okay, the example of Wagner has also been cited. Indeed, in 2014, Nigeria engaged some private military contractors, also known as mercenaries. But Nigeria was very careful. Nigeria used the word for training and logistics. They were supposed to train, I think, the 72 military squad.
Yes.
Strike force.
Strike force, yes, 72
Strike force,
at that time. But then when President Buhari took over, he probably being a soldier, and knowing how controversial the engagement of private military contractors is internationally, decided to move from it, and he didn't continue with that operation. In 2014, the issue was Chibok girls. So that's the background. But for Asari Dokubo to say that he runs a private military company, no, that would be an illegal company. It would be an illegal operation. If you look at the Nigerian Constitution, only the police is given powers for internal security. If the police is overwhelmed, then you can bring in the military for limited intervention. Although some of us have complained about the danger in using military for security, internal security work. The third category is what they call private security guards. Those private security guards, they are recognized by law. They are, under the Ministry of Interior, and the Establishment Act of the National Security and Defense Corps allows the Civil Defense Corps to license those private security guards who can be deployed either for public or private purposes. So if he say he has a private military company, no, that is wrong. Because Nigeria does not recognize that. But if he says he has a private security guard company, like all these people.
But he says they work hand in hand with the Nigerian military, and they've been conducting, operations in different states.
Maybe he's using the wrong nomenclature.
In Nigeria. But even to say that it is considered unlawful, just for Nigerians that are even considering that option, it is considered unlawful under the Geneva Convention to even send mercenaries to war. So, I mean, I don't even think it should be something...
when you go to Geneva Convention, you're even going far.
Too far.
As recently as 2001, I just said the resolution 44/34 of the UN raised issues. So it's a major controversial issue. But we have over 1,100 private security guards. All these people you see wearing uniform. They are all under civil defense. They are supposed to work with civil defense or liaise with the security authorities in Nigeria. So it's not like Wagner. Somebody cannot say, I'm running a Wagner operation in Nigeria. That would be illegal.
Very well said, Dr. Abati. Well, in the meantime,
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.